Hello everyone, so this is my Walgreens haul for this week, August 18 to August 24 of 2024. So I did multiple transactions. So in the first transaction, I did the spend $45 and get $10 digital booster. And then I pair it with the spend $30 and get $7 Walgreens Cash Reward paper booster. So I did the deal of the Oral-B Glide Floss or Crest toothpaste or Oral-B toothbrush, but I don't have the Oral-B toothbrush that priced for $3 and toothpaste that priced for $3. So I picked the Glide Floss, and also the Colgate toothpaste. It's on part of the deal that when you buy 2, you will get a $3 register reward. Then the Olay body wash is buy 3 and get $5 register reward. And then the Arm & Hammer is on sale for $1.99. So if you want to order online, the Glide is part also of when you buy 4, you will get a $6 Walgreens Cash Reward online. And it's if you purchase it in store, you will get a $6 register reward instead. So the Glide Floss is $4. So I bought 4 floss pick. And this is my note for the floss pick. So it's buy 4 and you will get a $6 register reward. So it's priced for $4. So the 4 are $16. I used the 6 of 4 Crest digital coupon. So it attached to the floss pick. So it's $6. So I paid $10 and then I got my $6 register reward, making it $4 for 4 or $1 each. And then the Colgate toothpaste or Colgate toothbrush that price for $4 or $5 is buy 2 and you will get a $3 register reward. So this is the 6.3 ounce. So I got 2 Colgate Max Fresh, and this is my note for the Colgate. So the 2 toothpaste are $8 less the $4 of 2 Colgate digital coupon. I paid $4. I got my $3 register reward, making it $1 or 50 cents each. And then the Olay body wash, this is $7. It's buy 3 and you will get a $5 register reward. So I picked the Fresh Outlast Birch Water, and this is the 650 ml. So this is my note for the Olay. So the 3 are $21 less the 5 of 3 Olay digital coupon. I paid $16 and then I got my $5 register reward, making it $11 for 3 or $3.66 each. And then the Arm & Hammer is $1.99. So this is the 14 pack. And then I got 2 beads. This is 15 ounce. And this is my note for the Arm & Hammer. So it's $1.99 and the 3 are $5.97. So here, my total before coupons is $50.97 less the digital coupon, $15. And then I used 3 register reward that I got last week. So I paid $22.97, but I got $17.50 Walgreens Cash Reward. 10 is for the digital booster, 7 is for the paper booster, and then I got 50 cents for everyday points. And then I got $5 register reward from Olay, 6 register reward from the Crest, and $3 register reward from the Colgate. So I got $31.50. So if I will add the out-of-pocket, the $22.97, and then the $13 register reward that I use, my total is $35.97 less to the $31.50 that I earn, making my transaction $4.47 for 12 items or 37 cents each. So my register reward in this transaction is not here because I used that in the second transaction. So this is my receipt in my first. So everything went smoothly. So my paper booster came off. And then the register reward, the 3. And then this one, $5, that is a register reward also. And all the digital coupon came off. So here I paid $22.97. I don't have much. I don't have a lot of registered reward to use. Then I earned $17.50. So this is my second transaction. So I used my husband's card on this transaction. And I used the spend 60 get $12 Walgreens Cash Reward Digital Booster. And this is my fifth trip also to get my $25 Walgreens Cash Reward when you purchase 6 times. So I combined again the deal of the Crest, the Colgate, the Olay, and then the deal in Persil. And I got my Carefree Maxi Pads. So first is the Scope Outlast. So luckily they have 4 of this. Because if you get a 3 and 1 other item, the $6 digital coupon will not come off. So it's buy 4 and you will get a $6 registered reward. So this is priced for $3.50. This is 4.6 ounce. So I got 4 Outlast. And this is my note for the Crest. So the 4 are $14. I used a 6 off 4 Crest digital coupon. I paid $8. Then I got my $6 registered reward, making it $2 for 4 or 50 cents each. And then the Colgate toothpaste or toothbrush, that's price is $4, is buy 2 and you will get a $3 registered reward. So I picked the Colgate Total Fresh Mint. This is the 3.3 ounce. And this is my note for the Colgate. So the 2 are $8 less the $4 of 2 Colgate digital coupon. I paid $4 and then I got my $3 register reward, making it $1 or 50 cents each. And then the Olay body wash or bar soap is buy 3 and you will get a $5 register reward. So I picked the bar soap and this is priced for $8.29. I got 3 bar soap and this is my note for the Olay. So it's $8.29 and the 3 are $24.87 less the $5 of 3 Olay digital coupon. So I paid $19.87. Then I got my $5 register reward, making it $14.87 for 3 items or $4.95 each. And then the Persil, this is the 100 ounce, is priced for $13.99. And when you buy 1, you will get a $3 registered reward. I able to use one $2 hand tag coupon that I got in the store, in the grocery store last time. And it worked on the Persil detergent. So this is my note for the Persil. So it's $13.99 less the $2 off Persil hand tag coupon. I paid $11.99. I got my $3 registered reward. Plus, I submitted my receipt in Ibotta. I got $3, making it $5.99 each. And then they're Carefree. There's no registered reward or Walgreens Cash Reward offer, but they're an awesome $5 rebate in Ibotta. And then there is $5 digital coupon also for the Carefree Maxi. So this is the 28 pads. So this is my note for the Carefree. So it's $10.99 less the $5 Carefree digital coupon. I paid $5.99. Then I got my $5 rebate in Ibotta, making it 99 cents. So this is my registered reward in Persil. And then I got my $3 also in Colgate. And then I got my $6 also in Crest. And then my $5 for the Olay. So I got all my registered reward in this transaction. So here my total before coupons is $71.96. That's the $22 digital coupon. And then I used $20 registered reward. Those are the registered reward from the first transaction. So here I paid $29.85. So it's high out of pocket, but it's okay. I got $13.95 Walgreens Cash Reward. That is for the digital booster. I got 12 for the digital, and then $1.95 for everyday points. And then I got my $6 registered reward for the Crest, 5 from the Olay, 3 from the Persil, 3 from the Colgate, and then I got $3 rebate in Ibotta for buying Persil. And then 5 from the Carefree, so I got $38.95 in this transaction. If I less that to the $49.85 cost, that is the $29.85 out of pocket and $20 registered reward that I use, my transaction is $10.90 for 11 items or 99 cents each. So that is awesome deal, even though at first my out of pocket is high. So this is my receipt for that. So everything went smoothly. All the coupons applied, and then here is my total, $29.85, and then I got my $13.95 Walgreens cash reward. And then in my third transaction, I'm not able to use a $2 hand tag coupon for this Ultra Pack because it won't scan, so I just bought it without a coupon. So I did again the deal of Colgate. It's buy 2 and you will get a $3 registered reward. So I picked now the toothbrush. So this is my note for the toothbrush. So the two are $8 less the $4 of 2 Colgate toothbrush digital coupon. So I paid $4, then I got my $3 registered reward, making it $1 or 50 cents each. And then the Persil Ultra Packs, 42 packs is $13.99, and when you buy one, you will get a $3 registered reward. There is $4 rebate also in Ibotta for the Ultra Packs, and it's a limit of 5. So this is my note for the Persil. So it's $13.99. I got $3 registered reward, then $4 rebate in Ibotta, making it $6.99. So this is my registered reward for the Colgate, and then my registered reward for the Persil. So in this transaction, my total before coupons is $21.99 less the $4 digital coupon for the Colgate. I paid $17.99, then I used $10 Walgreens cash reward. My out of pocket now is $7.99. I got $3 registered reward from the Colgate. I got $3 registered reward from the Persil and $4 rebate in Ibotta. So I got $10 in total, making it $7.99 for 3 items. And this is my receipt. So here I redeemed $10 Walgreens cash reward. So I just paid $8.83 including the tax. So this is my 4th transaction. So the Vitafusion is buy one get one 50% off, and then there is rebate in Ibotta. It's $2 each, so I got $4 rebate in Ibotta. And then there is Swagbucks offer also for the Vitafusion, so make sure you scan your item also if it's part of the rebate. So when you buy 2, you will get a 700 points that is equivalent to $7. So I picked the Vitafusion Calcium because I take this vitamins. So this is $16.99, and then the half price of the Vitafusion is $7.99. I take also melatonin at night because I'm having a hard time to sleep because of my treatment. So I got 1 Vitafusion Calcium and 1 melatonin. So this is my note for the Vitafusion. So the 2 items are $24.98. There is $10 off 2 Vitafusion digital coupon. So make sure you scan also your item because not all Vitafusion is buy one get one 50% off. I'm about to buy the Vitafusion B12, but it's not buy one get one 50% off. So I paid $14.98. I got my $7 in Swagbucks, that is 700 points when you buy 2. You can buy 1 also if you want, but because there is a digital coupon, it's better you buy 2. And then I submitted my receipt in Ibotta. I got $4.10 rebate because I have 10 cents bonus. So making it $3.88 for 2 or $1.94 each. So this is the receipt for that. So it's buy one get one 50% off. And then my $10 digital coupon came off. I bought some items also here. That's why I'm just showing the Vitafusion deal. And then I found some clearance items. So the Airborne Immune System vitamins is buy one get one 50% off. So the Airborne, this is the 64 chewable tablets. This is priced for $1.99 on clearance, and then the half price is 99 cents. The regular price of this is $19.99. So they only have 2, so I grabbed the remaining, and the expiration is February of 2026. So this is my note for the 64 count chewable tablet. So it's $1.99 the other one, and then the other one is 99 cents. So the two are $2.98. And regular price is $19.99. And then the Airborne tablets, Very Berry, this one is buy one get one 50% off also. The regular price of this is $9.99, and it's on clearance for $1. So this one is $1, and then the other one is 50 cents. And the expiration is November of 2025. So I got 2 items for $1.50. And then the Airborne Citrus. This is the 32 count is $1, and then the half price is 50 cents. So I got the 2 items for $1.50. And the regular price is $9.99. The expiration is April of 2026. And then this one is, the regular price is $9.99. It's on clearance for $1. They only have 1 of this. And this is 21 gummies. The expiration also is on October of 2025. So nice deal, and these are my note for that. So the 264 count is $2.98. The 2 Very Berry is $1.50, and then the Citrus is $1.50 for 2, and then the Airborne gummies is $1. So I paid $6.98 for 7 items, or 99 cents each. So I saved $62.95 for the Airborne. So this is my receipt for the clearance find. So it's buy one get one 50% off. So everything rang up. Buy one get one 50% off, and it's on clearance. And my final cost for 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, including the clearance, are $30.34 for 35 items, or 86 cents each. So thank you so much guys for watching, and have a blessed day everyone.